Picture Carrie, she's going to stop eating long enough. You look at her omelet down there. It's almost gone. This is so good. And then we're going to look at the... I don't know if you can see them moving, but man, they're flying out here over the valley. You look up there and see. Back in here, and here's the whole Pisgah Inn experience. And Cree's just so happy because she's got her cup of coffee right there. So look at her, look at the joy. Here we are at the Pisgah Inn, as you can see. But the winds are blowing, so it's howling through the...
The ghosts of Pisgah's past. Dun, dun, dun.
The ghost of Pisgah's past. You don't need sound effects here, they're real.
Pisgah's got some secrets.
Yeah, there's the right angle. What a gorgeous day out there, look out there. The clouds and the sky, oh that is so pretty. Jonathan and Matthew would love to be here too. Look at the old tree down there. That we're at the Pisgah Inn, looking out across there on this beautiful Sunday morning. You can hear the wind blowing. It's like whistling. You can't really tell it, but the clouds are moving, and there's Cree over there enjoying herself there, saying hey to everybody. And beautiful little flowers in there. Will this thing zoom in when you're videoing? It will.
Look at the shadows, how fast they're moving, huh? Come here, look. Oh.
Yeah, it's like a train's coming.
You look up, you can see the clouds moving